Hi, this is Brandon Barnum, CEO of HOA.com, and I'm so excited to share with you my new book, Raving Referrals. And if your business runs on referrals, then you need this book. Did you know that people are 400% more likely to buy from you when they're referred? It's true. And 84% of business-to-business sales start with a referral. And that's why referrals are so important to your business. Over the last decade, I've helped over 5 million professionals and business owners build their business by referral, and I want to help you next. The biggest challenge that I've found is that in surveying thousands of business owners and professionals, over 90% said their number one biggest business challenge is they needed more leads, more clients, more customers, more sales. And if that's you too, if you're needing help attracting people to your business, then this book is exactly what you needed. I didn't learn this on my own. I started out as a single dad back in my 20s, and fortunately, I got into the mortgage business and had a mentor who taught me the art and science of generating raving referrals. And through that process, and by applying those principles and using those strategies and scripts that he taught me, I was able to take my personal income from $20,000 a year to over $200,000 a year in just 18 months. And that's what I want to do for you. I want to help you and give you exactly what you need to succeed. In this book, we're going to teach you the 7 laws of raving referrals. And when you put these laws into practice in your business, it will attract more clients, more customers, more patients, and more guests for your company, whatever service that you're in. It's also going to help you to understand how to build strong referral partnerships with people who are already serving your ideal clients each and every day. That's the biggest challenge that we see out there is everybody's trying to build their business by themselves. So stop being a lone ranger, right? Start building your business and building your life, quite frankly, with people that you love to hang out with, people that are serving your ideal clients each and every day and can start sending that business to you. And as you build your business together and add more value, you're going to be able to take your business to new heights. And it all starts with our referral partner blueprint. We make it dummy proof for you to be able to build referral partnerships. We give you a system that you can literally sit down with a prospective partner and go step by step and talk through the top 21 co-marketing campaigns and exactly how you're going to build your business so that you walk out of that meeting with a plan in place where both people have agreed to promote each other. It's super successful. It works when you work it. And part of the reason is that 90% of people trust recommendations from people that they know. So when you put these practices and principles into place in your business, you have no choice but to succeed. So get the book today. It's on Amazon. It's already a #1 bestseller, but we want to help your business. So please buy the book and then share your success story with us. You can go to ravingreferrals.com and then share your success story. Tell us what's working, and we can't wait to help you take your business to new heights by using the Raving Referrals system. Good luck.